So on this our third episode on the forex market, I'm going to be showing you how to use this brokerage firm. How to First of all, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into this brokerage firm. All right, this app is Deriv. It's one of the popular brokerage firm out there you can use to trade your financial currency or to trade the forex market. So I'll show you how to deposit using this app, and then I'm going to show you the step by step on how to move your funds also from this Deriv app into this MT4 platform. All right, so this is the app I am using. I'll be dropping the link to this app at the video description. So go ahead and use the link, download the app, and then get started with Deriv. Okay, meanwhile, for those of you that are new to the forex market, I recently created a video explaining all you need to know about the forex market and some key things you need to understand before you can start trading on the first episode. So you go ahead and watch the video before watching this video. This video is basically for those of you that want to start trading, depositing and trading the financial market. Okay, meanwhile, trading the financial market is a very risky business and can also guarantee a lot of returns. So kindly ensure you do that at your risk and risk what you can afford to lose. And before you diving into the financial market, I will advise that you have full knowledge and understanding and a very perfect strategy on how to profit consistently before heading into it. All right, so now we've known all of that, let's just go ahead and let me show you how to go about the process. Now, after registering with the platform, after creating an account by registering and completing all the whole details like your email, your name, your linking your bank account details, and also inserting your government identity number inside it, and also creating a password, is going to log you into this interface. If you are registering directly from the app, it's going to log you into this interface. Okay, you can also register with their official website on their site, and then after registering, you can also download this particular app automatically from the site. Okay, so this is the app, and then you can reach out to them. These are some of the features. Always come to this cashier. Whenever I click on this cashier, you can always deposit. If you want to deposit, just click on that cashier button right there. Okay, let me go back so that I can see it. All right, so like I say, here's the interface of the app. Always click on this. Make sure that this is toggled to real account. Okay, in case you want to play with the demo account, just toggle this down. Toggle this down. It's going to show demo. You can see demo right here, but ensure that it is not always on demo. It is on the real account. Okay, so you toggle it onto the real account, and then afterwards you click right here where you have this cashier. You click right there. Okay, and then you come down and click where you have this place, this cashier right here. You click on it, then you click on this deposit button right here. Okay, and then afterwards it's going to load up this section. Now these are all the various methods to deposit into your MT5 Meta trading account right here. Okay, you can either deposit through the bank direct bank wire method or bank transfer method. You can deposit through any of this cryptocurrency, the Litecoin, the USD coin, the Tether, the Bitcoin, and the Ethereum. Okay, and then you can also deposit using their agent. Now, depositing using their agent here implies that you have to look for one of the agents, reach out to any of their agents on WhatsApp and chat them up, and then make a transfer to them, and they will help you to deposit your money into the Deriv account. But recently, a lot of integration has been added. You can deposit directly with cryptocurrency. Okay, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to deposit directly using this local bank account, which is the local payment method. All right, where you have to deposit directly from your bank into the Deriv account without even going to any third party person or agent. Okay, so you click on the first one, which is local payment method. You click on it. All right, and after clicking on it, it's going to show up this. Now these are the popular method. All right, you can deposit now. a lot of integration has been added. Now you can deposit via this ATM company. You can deposit via crypto credit and debit card. You can deposit through Jeton Bank. All right. Now this is the option I'm gonna be showing you how to do. All right. Now remember I said these are the various 4 top options that that you can deposit with, but I'll be showing you just right here depositing using this bank method. Okay, so you tap on that bank method, and after tapping on that bank method, now it's going to show up this local bank transfer. These are the various methods you can use to transfer into the Deriv platform. Okay, so then I'm going to be choosing this Quora Pay. I love transacting with Quora Pay. You click on it. Okay, you click on deposit, which is the first one. It's going to show up this section. You can see that it has showed up all the method of transfer. Don't worry about that. So far as it has taken you to this section. Just come here and type the amount that you want to deposit into the platform. So right here you can see the minimum you can deposit is 7,100 naira, and the maximum you can deposit is 284,000 naira. Okay, so any amount that you type right here is going to be reflecting. Let's say I want to deposit 15,000 naira. I'll show you just step by step how I deposited this so that you too can do the same. All right, so the 15,000 naira is approximately 10.56 USD. All right, so you click right here on the next. You click on the next. All right, after clicking on that next button, it's going to show up right this. Go ahead and click on continue. All right, just wait for a little while to take you to the next Quora Pay checkpoint. Quora Pay payments checkpoint. Okay, so now this is it. Just go ahead and click on pay via bank transfer. All right, click on pay via bank transfer, which is the first one. Is gonna load up this. Okay, now you can see I want to transfer 15,000. Go ahead and highlight this button, and then afterwards click on continue. All right, this is the payment information that has been generated for you to transfer. Now any money you send into this account is automatically gonna be sent into your Deriv account. All right, like any transfer you make from any bank, either First Bank, UBA, or whatsoever bank, into this account is gonna be deposited automatically. All right, now now you have to ensure that while you're depositing, you deposit within the period of 59 minutes. You see this timer that is on, you have to ensure that you deposit as fast as possible. Okay, now you do not save or reuse this account number twice. Okay, as soon as you deposit, don't bother about reusing the account number twice. All right, now you click on this pay, click on this Quora Pay, copy it, and then go to your bank account and make the transfer. Okay, here is my app, my OPay app. I want to be sending from my OPay to the my Deriv account. So I'll just insert the amount I want to be sending, and then you click on next, make your pay, insert your password, and then boom, the transfer has been sent. Okay, so you click on done, and afterwards the Quora Pay is gonna have to go back to the Quora Pay, back to the dashboard, and then refresh that your Quora Pay checkout dashboard. Okay, as soon as you refresh that your Quora Pay checkout dashboard, it is gonna be sent automatically to the account. Just go back and then you will see the money sitting right here in your account. Okay, now on Deriv, anytime one thing on the Deriv is that anytime that you make a deposit, you have to go and then transfer that money you sent to your Deriv company account or Deriv company app into your Meta5 trading account. So right here I've succeeded in depositing 10 USD to my Deriv trader app or my Deriv platform. So I want to now send this 10 USD to my Meta5 account, which is my CFDs account. You always transfer this to your CFDs account so that you can be able to trade it. Without moving this money here into the CFDs account, you can see that if you log into your Meta5, you won't see the money because you have not yet transferred it into your CFDs account. Okay, it is still, the money is still in the app, is still in your Deriv account or Deriv app, but you haven't moved it yet to show up in your Meta5 trading account. Remember that the Meta5 trading account is the only gateway you have app in which you can use to trade the financial market. So without moving this money here into your Meta5 trading account, you cannot trade there's no way that you can trade the forex market. You have to move it first to the main place. Okay, so now I've sent the money right here into the Deriv platform. I want to move it, so I'll click right here, toggle this on from the left to the right where the CFD section. Okay, and then you click on this deposit. You can see here now the money is in USD, so you click on this deposit. Now anytime you click on this deposit, you can also use this option to deposit into your Deriv platform. Okay, if you don't want to use that option, you can also use this other option. There are two methods, right? Okay, now you've known that, just go ahead and click on this button. Let us move the money. Want to move the money. Now if you click on that button, you can see here now that the interface has shown differently. It's just gonna pop out this interface. Okay, now go ahead, and this was the account I created. I created the standard account. You can also create a financial CFDs account where you can trade only instruments. Okay, but me, I created the standard account. So I want to move this money from here now to this place where it's showing 0.2828 USD. So what I'm going to do now is to click right here on this transfer right there. Okay, as soon as you click on that transfer, it's going to load up this page where you can now see here, you can now see here 10.56 USD, which is on my US dollar account, moving to my standard XVG account, which is showing 0.28. So as soon as I move the money to my standard XVG account, this 10 USD right here now is going to be sitting right here. So I am good to go. Okay, so I'll just type right here. To do that, just type right here the amount that I want to move. So I want to move 10.56 USD. So I'll type 10.56 USD, which is this. All right, and then you can now see transfer limit 0.01. You can even transfer as little as 0.01. And afterwards, go ahead and click on transfer now. And then as soon as it is done, the transfer will be sent automatically. The money will be moved from the platform into the main Meta5 trading account where you can start the transfer process. Okay, now that's it, guys. That's it. So this is the, after you've sent it, just minimize and head back to your Meta5. This is my Meta5. Just go ahead and click on this place right here to just know, to be sure that the money has been sent. Then as soon as you click right there, it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on manage account. Then as soon as you click on manage account, so boom, this is the 10.85 USD. So don't forget to like, share to your loved ones, because sharing is caring. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping more videos and the next series, you'll always be notified on time. So see you in the next video.